India is increasingly being criticized as a fascist state under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rule, with widespread allegations of religious discrimination, authoritarian governance, and suppression of dissent. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service said the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, backed by the extremist Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, is facing condemnation for its Hindutva-driven policies. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has called for the reinstatement of an order to ensure the fair access to occupied Kashmir's youth to the postgraduate medical colleges. In a post on X, Mufti stressed the importance of restoring SRO 49 2018 of the Jammu Kashmir Reservation Act, which was introduced during her tenure as a Chief Minister. The order ensured that 75% of the seats in the postgraduate medical courses were filled on the open merit, with 25% reserved for the unprivileged categories. People's Democratic Party leader Iltija Mufti has strongly condemned the grab of the fertile agricultural land in the name of a railway line project in the Bijbihara area of the Islamabad district. Speaking to the media in Srinagar, Iltija criticized the Modi regime and the administration under the Lieutenant Governor for targeting the agricultural lands. Member of Parliament from Srinagar Lok Sabha constituency, Agha Syed Ruhollah Mehdi has raised concerns over the construction of 2 new railway lines in occupied Kashmir and demanded the social impact assessment for both the projects. Agha Syed Ruhollah Mehdi also said that the projects are in violation of the Land Acquisition Act 2013. Due to the bad road conditions, 4 more people were killed and 13 others were injured in a traffic accident in the Kishtwar district. The accident occurred when a vehicle carrying employees of an under construction power project company veered off the road and plunged into a deep gorge.